Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add product ratings in Woocommerce on your WordPress site. By adding ratings, customers can make better buying decisions and trust your store more. The purpose of adding product ratings is to let customers leave feedback and rate their purchases. Ratings help build credibility, boost engagement, and give social proof that can encourage other shoppers to complete their orders. Let's walk through the easiest way to add product ratings to WooCommerce product settings. First, open your browser. Once your browser is open, go to your WordPress site. We will cover each step from here. After that, log into your account. Once you are logged in, let's go to My Stores. You can find it under My Account, where once you are logged in, you open your store. Once you are redirected to your WordPress sub-dashboard, go to Products, then look for Reviews. Here, you will see all the latest reviews in your WooCommerce store, waiting for approval. You can choose to approve them automatically or manually. You can check them one by one or approve them all at once. We can also reply to reviews or filter reviews by type. You can sort them by rating, 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and so on. You can also set all the details as needed. Now you can view reviews by product. You can choose a specific product to see its reviews, or you can view reviews for all products in your store. Once you have approved a review, it will appear on your store. That is how we add product ratings in WooCommerce. Once enabled, your customers can share their experiences and help grow your store's strong reputation.